It's a crisis that just doesn't seem to end for the BJP. At one instance, it seems to be advantaged the central command. The next moment, the balance tilts in Yediyurappa's favour. But at the end of the day, it seems the central leadership that has been in Bangalore now for 2 days has managed to end the crisis. Yediyurappa will resign tomorrow, but through the night, negotiations are likely to be on who succeeds him.
Through the course of the day, hectic politicking, bargaining and negotiations. BJP firm and Yediyurappa trying his best to get the best deal possible.
But for those watching the drama here in Bangalore, here are the main news points. The BJP has ensured that Yediyurappa resigns and the tainted chief minister has given in.
But is the mutiny finally over?
We certainly adhere to the decisions of the High Command without any reservation.
As Arun Jaitley and Rajnath Singh continued parleys through the course of the day, it was clear that the BJP's stern warning to the MLAs had changed the very contours of the negotiations.
The negotiations changed because earlier, as the numbers stacked up, the advantage was clearly with B.S. Yediyurappa. But that seemed to have changed in the last 24 hours, with the numbers now coming to the rescue of the BJP.
But the unpredictability showed even in the capital, where the party's parliamentary board met.
कर्नाटक के बारे में चर्चा का फोरम ये नहीं है, वो पार्लियामेंट्री बोर्ड का निर्णय है वो, और ये संसदीय दल की कार्यकारिणी है, ये हमारा विषय नहीं है.
And then this paper, a statement from Yediyurappa saying that he will resign by tomorrow. While most see it as him giving up, the political strategist that he is, Yediyurappa still gave himself some more time.
This morning, when the central leaders Rajnath Singh and Arun Jaitley met Yediyurappa, they conveyed the party's stern warning. He should resign by this evening or face disciplinary action. The message went home to Yediyurappa. Though by evening he had not put in his papers, his supporters came out and confirmed that he would resign after 1:30 p.m. tomorrow, which was the auspicious time. Now, BJP leaders confident that they will be able to come up with the name of Yediyurappa's successor and the future Chief Minister of Karnataka by late tonight.
It's now a fight between these two men. Sadanand Gowda and V.S. Acharya.
The central leadership, really, they heard us very well, and they promised us we will give a unanimous decision with a clear-cut direction to the Karnataka state leadership to go to the people with a clear mandate.
We have told our views about continuing the party activity and the government. Next leader will be selected on the basis of consensus.
The BJP's gravest crisis seems to have been averted for now. A compromise worked out. But with Yediyurappa, the party knows that nothing is ever final. With Navika Kumar in New Delhi, Tanvi Lal for Times Now.